Hi teachers, hello. Just another little clip on some tips and tricks when you're using Manycam, and it kind of goes a little bit like stop. It's okay. The black screen that you're seeing right now is all okay. It's part of the clip and it's here to serve a purpose. The purpose is this. I've had quite a few messages from people saying, I saw your Manycam video, I've installed Manycam, but it's not working. What have I done wrong? It won't work with my computer. I have this black rolling screen, like you've got right here, right now. Okay, it's fine. Firstly, it's sortable in seconds. It's not a big issue. And I'm going to briefly explain why you've got this black screen. Basically, Manycam is not connected to your computer camera somewhere. So all you need to do is relink the connection. It can be lots of reasons. Maybe you did something with your software and you chose a camera for something else. Maybe there was a software glitch and it lost connection. But whatever it is, here we go. This is how we sort it. Take your mouse, right click. Okay, now you're going to get a selection of things that you can link to your camera or the Manycam camera. I work on Mac, so my default camera is my FaceTime HD camera, but you could use a blank image, your desktop background, a YouTube URL, media files if you have them, if you're interlinking with Manycam Mobile, that one too, or your additional IP cameras. We're not going to go into cameras, IP cameras, that's for another clip because it's a little bit more involved. We're just going to stick to linking your main computer camera to Manycam and stopping this black rolling screen. So here we go. It's as simple as this. Click! And I should magically appear in minutes or seconds even. Yes, I did. There we go. That's it. Sorted. Job done. Great. Off we go. Okay. Now, if you get your screen up, your Manycam screen, and something's still not working, I recommend you go to your video selection, which is like the second choice down on the right. Click on it and it will bring up this here that you can see. I work on 480 to 600 resolution. That works for me with my computer and the various different softwares that I use when I'm working with Manycam. That might not work for you. So if it doesn't work for you, you can change your resolution, or you can go down to settings here. You can go down to video, and you can choose the resolution that you want to appear in your main window, and you can reset it to default. You can also change your frames per second. Again, 60 works for me with my software. It might not work for you. And the other thing is play around with your zoom. Okay? You might get this and go, oh no, how am I going to get rid of that? It's simple. Just play around with your zoom, reposition yourself, work out your lighting. It's easy. It's easy, so don't worry about that. So there we go. I hope that's helped. I hope that solves some people's mysteries of Manycam, and have fun doing whatever you're doing with Manycam. Goodbye. See you again soon.